Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury and power with the 2025 Mercedes-Benz G-Class, a vehicle that continues to redefine what it means to be a true off-road legend wrapped in a luxury shell. The G-Class, often known as the G-Wagon, is not just a car, it's a statement of style, performance, and engineering excellence. The term G-Class stands for Geländewagen, a German word meaning cross-country vehicle. It was first introduced in 1979 as a rugged military vehicle before evolving into the luxury icon it is today. Designed and manufactured by Mercedes-Benz, a German automotive giant, the G-Class combines cutting-edge technology with classic design. The 2025 model stays true to its heritage but adds modern refinements, making it one of the most desirable luxury SUVs on the market. The vehicle is particularly popular in countries like the United States, United Arab Emirates, Germany, and even parts of Asia, where it's seen as a symbol of prestige and high status. Among luxury SUVs, the G-Class holds a unique spot, often outselling its competitors in the ultra-premium category. In terms of popularity, the G-Class enjoys a strong celebrity fanbase and is often spotted in music videos, films, and social media posts by influencers and stars alike. But it's not just about looks. The performance of the 2025 G-Class is just as impressive as its appearance. Equipped with a twin-turbocharged V8 engine, it delivers immense power with surprisingly smooth handling. The acceleration is swift, and the ride quality is enhanced by advanced suspension systems that offer both comfort on the road and capability off the beaten path. Fuel efficiency, though not its strongest suit due to the powerful engine and heavy build, has seen slight improvements in the 2025 model. Thanks to mild hybrid technology and smart engine management systems, the G-Class now offers better mileage compared to older versions. While it may not compete with smaller SUVs in this area, it balances performance and efficiency quite effectively for its size and class. When it comes to capabilities, the 2025 G-Class shines with features like 3 locking differentials, high ground clearance, and strong towing capacity. It can handle rough terrains, steep climbs, and deep waters like a pro, making it an ideal choice for adventure enthusiasts who don't want to compromise on luxury. The interior is a haven of modern comfort, with digital displays, premium leather seats, ambient lighting, and advanced infotainment features that offer both style and convenience. Some key features include a fully digital dashboard, MBUX system with voice command, Burmester sound system, and active safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree camera. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz G-Class is priced starting at around $140,000, depending on the variant and customization options. The main selling point of the G-Class lies in its combination of luxury, heritage, and unmatched off-road capabilities. It's not just a car, it's a lifestyle. For those who want power, presence, and prestige all in one vehicle, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz G-Class is the ultimate choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing car updates.